Ashwagandha is gaining popularity globally due to its remarkable health benefits. While it's widely known for women's health, it also offers significant advantages for men. This article explores the reasons why men should include ashwagandha in their diet. Ashwagandha helps the body manage stress by reducing cortisol levels, improves sleep quality, enhances testosterone levels, energy, strength, and endurance. It also promotes muscle growth, aids food metabolism, and reduces body fat. Moreover, it contributes to better blood sugar levels, joint health, cognitive function, memory, blood circulation, and cardiovascular health. Additionally, ashwagandha reduces anxiety and depression symptoms and enhances male fertility by increasing sperm count and motility, as well as assisting with erectile dysfunction. When selecting the best ashwagandha supplement for men, it's essential to choose one that contains a high-quality form of ashwagandha with at least 30% whitanolide, the active ingredient responsible. It's also vital to choose a reputable company that follows good manufacturing practices to ensure that the supplement is pure and of high quality. The recommended dosage for ashwagandha is between 300 to 500 milligrams per day, taken all at once or divided into 2 or 3 doses throughout the day, with meals. It's best to start with the lowest dose and gradually increase it as needed. Ashwagandha generally takes effect within a few weeks to a month of ingestion, and it's considered safe for most men when taken at the recommended dosage. However, it's essential to note that ashwagandha may interact with some medications, so it's important to talk to your doctor before taking it. The most common side effects are gastrointestinal discomfort, such as nausea, diarrhea, and stomach pain. In conclusion, ashwagandha is a natural way to boost men's health and well-being, offering numerous health benefits that shouldn't be overlooked.